Ladies and gentlemen, I know you all experience it in C++ programming, but have you write the C++ program that print a square pattern? In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a C++ program that print a square pattern of stars like this. Right? So what you need to do is to keep watching this video until the end, and if you have any question, you will let me know in the comment section. Without delay, let us start. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this lesson, we are going to write a C++ program that prints a square as an example of pattern program, right? So we are going to print square of stars. So without spending much more time, let us start. Yeah, first of all, we need to use a nested loop. When we say nested loop, is for loop inside another for loop. Let us start with loop 1, which represent rows, right? int I, which is equal to 1. You see, then I must be less than or equal to 5, right? And also I will be increment like this. After this, we have to open and close our loop, right? Then inside of this loop, we are going also to use another loop to display column, right? For now, let us int j as a column. Here our j must be less than or equal to also 5, right? And then j must be increment like this. Then also we need to open and close our loop. So once we reach here, we're going to display our output. South. Now let us use star, as I already said. Here star, right? You can put here space like this. Yeah, like this, space. Now semicolon. We mean we are going to display square of stars. So after this, let us in our previous or first loop print end line, to mean when this inside the loop finishes to display these stars. Based on this condition, j less than or equal to 5 will display end line here, to mean we will go on the next line. So this is how we can implement this program of displaying square of stars. Yeah, before learn, you see here we just make mistake. We need to initialize our j from 1. Was a mistake. Let us save it, and now compare our program before run it. You see there is no error. We can now run our program to check an output, right? So you see, this is our expected output. So we just print I from 1 to 5 to mean rows from row 1 to row 5, and also for each I which is equal to 1, we will get just row of 5 stars, right? When I is equal to 1, this inside the loop represented by j will be exclude and print star the 5 times. That's why we get each row with 5 stars. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, where we'll deal with pattern program number 2. That will be a triangle, right? So see you in the next one.